Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Sam's Club. I did get this 24 pack of burritos that was $11.98. I also got some of the ground beef burger patties as well as some mini sliders. Those were about $12.50 each, and then I also got 3 packs of ground beef. That was a total of $16.98. I also have a 2-pound bag of broccoli, which was $5.24. Tomatoes on the vine were $4.97. 1 gallon of milk was $3.08. The bag of Caesar salad was $3.88. And then I did get the muffins for $7.48. And then I also got this barbacoa that was on sale for $12.94. We came in at a grand total of $200.